Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the airplane mode on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To do it you can press any of the buttons or just use the rotating bezel to wake it up. Then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here swipe left twice to go to the last page. And we have an airplane mode icon right here. Tap on it to turn it on, and to turn it off simply tap on it again. And that's how you enable the airplane mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.